welcome back to the channel. In this video I am using my Toro TimeCutter with the My Ride system, which is phenomenal, by the way. The whole deck rides separate from the base. Oh, it's a really nice ride. It's like a My Ride. I've just been cutting grass, so it's not too exciting. I'm starting a wood pile there from all these trees. I think later in the summer, I'm going to be cutting down all of those dead standing, because those, if they fall, could hit my neighbor's property, and I don't want that. So I think we'll be cutting down about 6 trees there, felling them this way, and then pushing them into this pile so that I can start using that as my processing station. So I've just been clearing the back section of the property. This is in the far end. My house, shop, shed, farm is all that way, and you can see the gravel pad with the shelter over there. So just a quick video of me doing stuff on my land. What did you do on your land today? Because around here it's a lot of grass cutting. So I cut about 5.5 acres or 5 acres or so, and I break that up into 2 sessions, one around the house and then this back section, and then all the way down that alleyway that we call it the wedding alley. We call it wedding alley because when we first moved here 8 years ago, our thought was that we were going to host events here. Down this thing had this gazebo, but we've since changed that, and we're not sure what we're going to be doing with this section, but we might be doing something with it. I also have a whole bunch of trees in this section that I've been mowing around that have to come down, and you can see I've got a wood pile over there as well. That tree has to come down. Those ones, I keep saying that. Man, there's a lot of dead trees. But the Toro's doing wonderful. Man, I love this machine. TimeCutter, it's a 54-inch. I thought it was a 60-inch, but it is the 54 from my great friends at TMacFarlane. It is a forged deck. Wow. The reason I like this so much, especially with this long grass, the forged deck doesn't have a lower support underneath the chute. My other one had a bar here, and this kept getting filled up with discharge. So I really like the fact that there's no lower support there. But yeah, that mower is fantastic. I've got some videos on my channel about the purchasing of this one. I had originally had a TimeCutter, a 50-inch, and I used that for about 8 years. I got it with the property. And when it was getting too long in the tooth, started having issues with it. Some great videos. Check it out in my channel. There's a playlist for them. I went out and purchased the exact same one, just newer, and I love it. So if you're thinking about a zero-turn, which I highly recommend you do, go with the Toro. Fantastic. I'm going to get going again because the mosquitoes are horrendous and I like to keep moving. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.